Hey guys, I just want to go over the funding. This is the drill for Friday, Thursday. Um, those days were no, I mean yesterday was okay, but I did overtrade yesterday. But yeah, let's go over it. So Thursday was a pretty bad day. Um, I lost around like 1K. To be honest, like I don't even know. I didn't really have a setup even. I just kind of just like threw in a 5 micro trade and I just gambled. I don't even know what I was doing because we were literally bearish on the day. Like it was pretty obvious, but I just longed for no reason. I literally wanted us to go down too, but yeah. And then the next thing I also want to go over is this. Or I just want to look at something. Okay, yeah, is this. So if as you see on this day, um, I traded Asia because my funded was almost gone, so I wanted to build a little bit of buffer before New York. And look, we hit that W. I did open 2 more trades midnight. This one was just as a joke, and then this other one was, I believe, I was copy trading a friend, but to be honest, I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm not going to copy trade. Okay, and then after that, we did hit this W of a trade on November. Oh wait, no. So wait, this November 6th was Asia, yeah. Oh yeah, so November 7th was this trade was from uh, uh, New York. I did get stopped out. I was almost up to TP, but uh, yeah, I lost on that trade. I shouldn't have went break even, but then I did hit the trade. It was only on 3 micros though. So obviously I was risking 15 points on this, and then on this it hit. If I was doing normal size, it would have been like 700, and then everything past that is just gambling. To be honest, like this $300 dub is like just gambling. Minus 120 is gambling. All this is gambling. I was just trying to get these 1 minute short swings. Like literally, I could have just hopped off with $500 profit, but no, I ended with 200 profit just because I overtraded. So yeah, so let's get into what I was thinking. So obviously for the first trade, it was pretty textbook. Like I believe, yeah, we sweeped. Hold up, we sweep midnight open, midnight, and maybe London lows. I mean, I know we did sweep these London lows, and then we went up. I mean, that was also a pretty obvious trade, but I was like, I think I'm only gonna take like as soon as I get 2 losses, I'll hop off because like I think two trades max a day is my rule now. Like I think I really need to stick to my rules because today would have been fine if I just stuck to my rules. I did my 2 trades, and yeah, but like so yeah, as you see, we did sweep midnight from the day before, midnight from yesterday, and yeah, we are also in an imbalance right here, and then and here, give me a sec. I want to see where exactly I wrong. Yeah, so next thing I did, so to be honest, I got in just because of this swing up, but oh sorry, I didn't get in with OTE. What I just waited for entry to we did have a bunch of high time frame. PD raise back there, and then essentially what I waited for, I just waited for some bullish confirmation, which we did get. We got this break, and then I just waited for a tap in order block. Got that tap in order block, and then we got that expansion upside. We did hit like 50 points, so which is like halfway to TP. But then the problem with that was I didn't put my stop at break even, so I just got stopped out in this. I kind of just got one candled because I did put my thing here, and I think yeah I had like around a 12 point stop, so or 10-point stop, and I did get stopped out. And then I re-entered because there was a bullish SMT on NQ. So obviously that was clear entry, and then we just hit a clean around 80-point trade. Would have been 100 points normally. And then I see we dumped down. And then I also wanted a long here. I wasn't taking this seriously. I was kind of just gambling for no reason. There was obviously PD rays, like literally the CE aligns everything. There's tons of stuff that align with this level. Yeah, hold on. 1 second. So obviously we have this CE of this wick, or just the wick. I guess we didn't tap in CE of it. Maybe on 4 hour, I believe there was something, because I remember looking at it, there was something on 4 hour. We have this rejection block, but we did tap through it. Interesting. I guess we didn't really have anything. I mean, there is this for value gap. 4 hour for value gap. Oh, and not even for value gap. Oh, there's inverse for value gap. Oh yeah. So we literally basically tapped the CE of this inverse for value gap. And then we did form, we also have this order block right here, which we kind of rejected. And then if you look even closer, oh no, we have a 30-minute order block right here. And that, yeah, that counts. But yeah, just tons of PD rays that you could line up with this level. And also, I forgot to mention that it sweeped London lows, but it also sweeped 10 a.m. open from yesterday, which was that that is textbook right there. Like literally sweep 10 a.m. This is like a really strong trade, and then to be honest, from there you could scale down to 1 minute, and then you could look for SMT. I believe there was a SMT, like after we sweep this. So we did have this little bit of a fake out. But I think for something like this sweep, you could have an SMA entry. Anything like that would work. Literally could do this right here. Put, let's see, right here we break out, and then you want to wait for a cross. So right here, we get a full tap in a SMA, or not right here, but right here we do. So put like what, 15-point stop, and you're chilling. Target whatever you want, man. And I guess another thing that you could have waited for, because we did have a tons of these fake outs over here. You could wait for a chain state delivery. So right here we had chain state delivery, and then as you see, literally immediately after we tap back in, and then you could come on, go crazy with this. 10-point stop, 15-point stop, like target as much as you want, man. Go to the sky, target all the way. 300 points. We really pumped so much, bro. And then I did long this, but I was just kind of gambling. I didn't really wait for any PD rays, anything that lined up. But yeah, so basically, what I think we're gonna do for tomorrow, I'm sorry, for Sunday and Monday. So obviously we dumped down. I do think that we do continue bearish. To be honest, I think that we are waiting to sweep. I believe there was a 10 a.m. open. 10 a.m. Oh, sorry, I mean midnight open. There's midnight right here. And there is also, yeah, 1800. So, any of these, to be honest. Maybe even sweep these highs. We'll see what it do, but there's tons of liquidity up here that we would want to grab. Asia highs. So I see that it's possible during Sunday we still pump. Um, we take some of these, and then to be honest, I think we could. Because on daily, what are we looking like? On daily, we did fill that gap over there, so obviously I don't think that we're gonna retrace back up here. Maybe up to this order block even. But yeah, to be honest, we'll see. Like, mm, I do think that order block tapping is possible. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on Monday. We'll get that funded up. We have $400 left. To be honest, I think I'm gonna do 3 micro trades until I have like around 1K buffer. I'm gonna go crazy, man. No gambling, 2 trades a day, and we're chilling. All right, guys. See you on Monday.